Working at Miriam's has been one of the most valuable experiences and rewarding experiences that I've ever had. My name is Taemin Kim. I am the chef and performance manager here at Miriam's Kitchen, and I have been a full-time employee since last April. The reason why we're all here and doing something is to make sure that we serve guests in a positive and beneficial way, and that sense of hospitality extends not only through the dining room and the kitchen, but also through our art therapy program, our housing program. It kind of pervades all of what we do.
My name is Sam Ross. I'm a client here. I also lead a beading group, which is art therapy. A lot of people mistake Miriam's Kitchen as just the kitchen to get something to eat, but it's far more than that. It's a safe haven, it's a safety net. It's somewhere where you can go to get, if you need ID, they'll give you references. They'll even pay for it for you. If you need a birth certificate, if you need psychological help, they got psychiatrists here. They even have medical assistance here. Any kind of assistance that you need while you're sleeping out there, they have it.
We want to get people into our dining room because of the food, and then develop relationships with our case managers so they start to trust us. And once that's done, we end up taking them through the process of getting a voucher or getting a job or getting housing. And ultimately they're stably housed with the support and services that they need, and they feel part of the community.
Good evening, welcome to Miriam's.
Miriam's Kitchen is very intentional in how we create and assess our meals. We've always served very healthy, nutritious meals, but coming from a consulting background, I wanted to quantify what that was. We have a bunch of demographic data about people with diabetes, hypertension, Hep C, HIV/AIDS. So we try to figure out what would be the perfect diet for someone in the situation. So we got a bunch of public health professionals, people who were in direct services together, and decided to create a perfect menu for someone in our dining rooms.
Would you like to grab that?
The kitchen team itself and Miriam's Kitchen prides itself on being somewhere the guests can rely on. So for example, Snowmageddon this past January. I walked from Navy Yard to Miriam's Kitchen and shoveled the street and the sidewalk and all of the steps on Sunday, slept over in one of the church pews to make sure that we were open on Monday. And that's one case, but there's 1,000 more cases like that. Fires, floods, everything. One of the things that we promise the guests is that no matter what, we are going to be open and you are going to get a hot meal.
I come here daily because Miriam's has helped me in so many different ways. I was a drug dealer. The path that I was on was leading me back and forth through incarceration. It was like a revolving door. And when I got out the last time, which was during the Bush administration, a female asked me to come here with her for breakfast. We were sleeping out in the snow. So we came, and since that, the first day, it's just been like family. I never looked back.